So this is the Chosen 100% pure avocado oil spray. I use this all the time. It has a very high smoke point, and this is a clean oil. That's the only ingredient is avocado oil. A lot of the sprays like this, majority of them have propellant in them, which is not something you want to be eating. This right here is just the avocado oil, and I love this brand. Now I will say that sometimes I've had this happen on, I've been buying this for a couple years, and I've had this happen to, I think, 2 canisters before. Sometimes towards the end of use, this part right here might go in, like where you can see how it has the seal right here. I've had it where it falls in, and then it's a little bit hard to spray. And so I would have to turn it over and let it just drip into the dish for the remainder. So I have had that issue, but that is the only issue I've ever had with this avocado oil spray. So I'm getting ready to make some cornbread, and I've already started to spray, but you can see how it comes out in a, it's not quite as thin as when you do the oil spray. I guess because it doesn't have the propellant, it's a little thicker, so you can do that and then use a paper towel or just kind of roll it around. I usually will use a paper towel just to get it evenly dispersed. But I do use this as my nonstick spray for when I'm cooking whatever. It doesn't matter if it's cake, bread, brownies, anything. It doesn't leave a flavor. So you can see there that is nicely spread out in the pan.